When you sell an item, you have the option to add the buyer of the item to your customers list. Additionally, if you have a list of customers before you start working in the program, you have the option to add them to your customers list in advance. To view the customer list and manage lists, click and scroll down button Customers. Click the Customers button. To add a new customer to the list, click the ADD Customer button. If your customer is a company or a representative of a company, you can enter the company name. If your customer is an individual, please leave this field blank. Enter the customer's name in the field. Enter the customer's last name in the field. Enter the customer's email address in the field. Enter the customer's phone number in the field. In the Customer Group field, you can select a group from the list. If you don't have a group, create a new group and combine the added customers into one group. For example, employees of one company or members of a certain organization who are your customers. If you want to send your customer future marketing offers, documentation, and offers via email and SMS, click the toggle button to on. Filling out all fields is not mandatory and you can save customer to the customers list by clicking the Add Customer button, but if you want to add additional information, click to the Details tab. Enter the customer's street address in the postal address fields. Enter the customer's second street address, if available. If you want, enter the name of the suburb in the field. Enter the city in the field. Type zip code in the field. To select a state, click on the list of states, select the desired state from the list or type it into the field using the quick filter and search for the state name. To select a country, click on the list of country, select the desired country from the list or type it into the field using the quick filter and search for the country. Check if the mailing address is different from the primary address. Fill in the fields as desired. If desired, fill in the additional information fields. If your customer has one, enter the customer code in the field. Select gender from the list. Click on the calendar and select date of birth. If desired, enter the customer's YouTube channel link, website address, Instagram link, Facebook profile or page link, TikTok link, and X, formerly Twitter, link in the fields. Enter additional information about the client in the field. In the settings, choose whether this specific customer will have a limit on their balance. Choose No, Yes, with no balance limit, or Yes, but with a balance limit. If you want to include this specific customer in the loyalty system, slide the button to On. If you want wholesale prices to apply to this specific customer, move the button to On. You can set a tax rate for each specific user. To set a tax rate, click the drop-down menu and select from the list. If you want to give a discount to this specific customer, click on the discount field and enter the desired percentage in numbers. You can enter additional information in custom fields. To add a customer, click ADD Customer button. You can use the quick search feature to search for a specific customer from the general customer list. Type any word that matches the information in the customer record. Only those customers that match the word you entered will remain from the general list. To clear the filter and return to the full list, click the Clear icon. In the customer list, you can view information about the client, edit the information you entered, or delete the record.